Good morning to all of my boss buddies. I hope you guys are doing wonderful. I hope you're doing well. Listen, guys, this is my second video for the day, and I do apologize that you are seeing more of my steering wheel than you are my face. But I wanted to get as many videos out as possible concerning Valentine's Day. For those of you that have been following me, know that Valentine's Day is the biggest, the greatest, the most money-making, the most fill-your-bag holiday for my business and for so many others that design gift baskets, floral arrangements, cakes, whatever it is. Valentine's Day is like a big plus. Okay, you guys? People are spending money during that time of the year. It's tax season. People are in love. People falling out of love, trying to get back in love. Come on, y'all. And so Valentine's Day is a great holiday. It's a time you can mend hearts together with your gifts and all of that. So anyway, enough of that spiel. What I want to tell you guys is do not get discouraged because a lot of stores have shortages on certain things, okay? COVID-19 is being experienced all around the world. By now, most of us are used to the different shortages and different things that we're normally able to buy from our local supermarkets, our local department stores, our local malls. It just no longer is available. So I want to tell you guys, do not make excuses for the items that you are not able to find. You will have to use your imagination, okay? Not just your imagination, but you will have to use your creativity. So certain ribbons and different things that you normally would get that would say Happy Valentine's Day, guess what? You may not be able to use those type of ribbons. You may just have to find something red or something pink, this will be a great time for you to look for items that are left over from Christmas. But I hate to rain on your parade here as well. Most stores don't even have Christmas things left for you to be able to buy them clearance. That's normally what I do. Wait until things are 70 and 90% off, and I go and stock up for the next year. Well, that's just not the case now. So you have to do what you got to do to make your money, right, y'all? So if you're a boss buddy and you like to boss up and you like to fill your bag and you like to fill your bank account, then you're going to have to look past all of the shortages and things that are now in existence, okay? That's if you want to keep making all the money that you're making. If you're like me and you make thousands of dollars and you make hundreds of baskets for Valentine's Day, you, my boss buddies, know that you cannot make excuses for this time of the year. We got to fill the bag, okay? So listen, when you go out shopping, use your creativity, use your imagination. Like I said, it does not have to be things that say Valentine's Day. When you're making things for Christmas, it does not have to be red and green. It does not have to look like Christmas. It does not have to have a Santa Claus in it, okay? Let's say, for instance, if you're making a coffee basket, it does not have to, and you're making it for Christmas or you're making it for Valentine's Day, it does not have to have Happy Valentine's Day on it just for it to be for Valentine's Day, okay? So guys, I want to tell you, make sure that you're looking for special items in the store that's going on sale, that's going on clearance. Look for those items and just add small things in there to make it actually look like Valentine's Day. And I apologize, you guys, that I'm driving and trying to talk with you as well. But just put in little small things that will make it look like Valentine's Day or whatever event or occasion you're making it for, okay? So take out the excuses. Get to shopping, get to looking and searching for those items. Guys, I want to see those gift baskets that you all are creating right away, okay? After Christmas comes and Santa comes down the chimney, y'all better be making sure that y'all are getting ready to make this money that's about to flow for Valentine's Day, guys. I am so excited. I'm sure you can hear by my voice. This time is the greatest time of the year for me. I don't even worry about Christmas. Valentine's Day is my Christmas, okay? So you guys, I will see you on the next video. If this is your first time on my channel, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Okay, I ain't gonna sing for y'all today, but make sure that you like, share, comment, and subscribe. I really do appreciate it. For the boss buddies that's been rocking with me forever. I love you guys so very much. Thank you for continuing to share my videos. Thank you for continuing to comment and dialogue with me. I love you guys more than you'll ever know. I love you, love you, love you. And until the next video, bye-bye.